In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Afterpay with Amazon. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So Afterpay isn't directly available as a payment option on Amazon. So however, you can still use Afterpay for your Amazon purchases indirectly through certain methods. The first is through Afterpay online retailers. So some online retailers that accept Afterpay may sell Amazon gift cards. So you can use Afterpay to purchase Amazon gift cards from these retailers and then use the gift cards to make purchases on Amazon. Next is a third-party gift card platform. So there are third-party websites or apps that allow you to buy Amazon gift cards using Afterpay as a payment method. After purchasing the gift card with Afterpay, you can redeem it on Amazon. Next is credit card with installment plan. Some credit card issuers offer installment plans that allow you to split your Amazon purchases into smaller, more manageable payments. While not Afterpay specifically, it serves a similar purpose. Next is Amazon installment payment plans. So Amazon offers its own installment payment plans for select purchases through its Amazon installment program. So you may be eligible for these installment options at checkout for certain items. Next is Amazon Store Credit. So consider applying for an Amazon Store Credit Card, which may offer special financing options or promotional periods with no interest on purchases above a certain amount. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.